Today we are way out here in the country. I just wanted to take you on a ride with me, show you how it is when you pour concrete way out when you're off the highway, off the major highway, and you have to get off on a state route. The state route becomes this: to my left, woods to my left, woods to my right. We should be pulling up here any second now. Bear with me. I'm anxious, just like y'all are, to see what they got in store for me today. It's gonna be something crazy to watch. It's not that. So you gotta be careful when you're driving out here because you can't really share the road. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate that. Now I'm supposed to be turning right there. Watch. I told you it's gonna be something crazy. Told you. They want me to pull in that. Let me put my tags up. Yep, that's it. That's us right there. I see another truck with nowhere to go. I don't want to pull in there unless it's my turn. So what I can do, I could back behind him. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm back up behind him. I got a little bit of room to stage because if I stage out here, it's a hazard because I'm in somebody's way. For instance, another big truck comes out here. They don't have nowhere to go. So watch your tags when you turn it in, and just take everything slow. My only question is, the truck that's coming out of here is where are they gonna have room to get by? I'm gonna try to hug this side of the road, look over your overhead, be mindful of your overhead. How much room you got? Well, stay tuned because I want to see. I want to see what's gonna happen when this other truck comes out, or even if it is another truck. This might be the only truck. I think I need to check with this person ahead of me to find out if they already poured or not. Here he is right here. Hold on. Well, let's go ahead up this hill, y'all. 7 o'clock. They want a little bit more water, so I'm going to go ahead and give them that. Got them new drivers back there. I told them that one of them needed to stage out there. Let's go. They'll figure it out. One of the reasons why I took this job is because I was like, if I'm going to work for a living, I need to work somewhere where I don't mind being. I don't like being in the office somewhere or in a building all day long. I gotta look at my supervisor and my co-workers and all that type of stuff. I was like, if I'm gonna work, I'm gonna drive. I can get paid by driving. I can get paid. I'm gonna do that. I'm out here. I love the nature. I love being out here in the country and in the city. I just love it, man. Something new every day. People in corporate offices and stuff like that, man. You think they get to see this? Hear these crickets out here? No. Be one with nature. This could be a problem right here, though. This could be a problem right here, y'all. He's going back. That's good. That's good. It's going to be. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Having a house out here, got your nice little your own pond. That's living. Being one with nature. When you coming through here, look at that on the right hand side. That drop off over there. You got to be real careful. Real careful. Keep that foot on that brake, boy. That's everything. The pump truck look like it's almost touching the floor. I feel safe now when I lock that brake on. So now, y'all, this is what we've been preparing for the last hour. It took me an hour to get here. A lot of times when you pour concrete, you're driving a truck. They don't have you driving that far. See how you rushing me? I don't like that. I was gonna get to you, man. Just wait. I guess he thought I was just wasting time over here. Here we go. Keep that hopper full. So I finished pumping. I actually turned around so that I can let the next truck come through here, so I can get out his way, so that I can go spray down my truck. Let him see if y'all can see. That's where I was at. Wasn't enough room for both of us, so I had to move out his way. Nobody told me that. Some things you gotta figure out. It's not rocket science. These are the kind of things you gotta do when you way out here in the boonies. Washout bags. Whenever they don't have a pit, they use washout bags. Well, it's about to be a wrap. I'm about to be out of here. Look at the berries. So tasty looking. I should just pick a couple of them and take them home, put some salt on them. It's been real. Hey, y'all, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. It's going to be some juicy, some real good content, though, seriously. I know these pours like this is basic. One thing I like to say in this business is boring is good. This was kind of boring. It's good though. Safe, routine. There are pours that are not boring. Like I say, I'm gonna keep them coming.